Hello, and welcome to SketchUp for Schools. Today we're going to learn how to use the labeling tool. So let's begin. Let's click the drop-down menu and select the fractional inches template. We're going to immediately save our file. So let's locate the area, the folder that we keep our files in for SketchUp. And let's name it with our name and labeling tool. All right, let's save here. Okay, so let's begin by drawing a rectangle, and this time we're going to do it on the green axis. So before we begin our rectangle, we're going to hit the left arrow key, and we're going to make a rectangle. All right, so we're going to locate the labeling tool now. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click the tape measure tool or the dimensioning tool, whichever is usually showing. And you'll notice that it says A1 with a little bracket symbol pointing to a circle. That is the tool that we want. And it says text on it. So we're going to click on that. So this is the text tool. I get stuck calling it the label tool. So the way that this works is you click a side or a point and it'll say on edge, end point, on face, and typically you want to label an edge. So we're going to click one time and drag it up a little bit. Click again. Now to edit this text box, you delete what's in there and type in what you need. So I'm going to call it top edge. Don't click enter because what it does, see how the cursor goes down? We don't want that. And it's kind of odd, but when you're done, click one more time with the mouse. Now, however it rotates, that label will follow you around. So if we label this lady's glasses, we're going to click on her glasses, pull it out, click again. We're going to label it glasses. And instead of hitting enter, just click and it rotates around with us. All right, now we're going to learn how to enter a title block, which is very common for most of our drawings. You don't want to add a title block way out in space. You want it relatively close to you. So we're going to click close to our object. And since I have a label over there, I'm going to go over here. So I'm going to click one time. I'm going to delete the text. And I'm going to enter our name, the date, hit enter again, goes on to the next line, and the label of this. So this would be a rectangle. When you're done, you just click out in space, and now you have a title block that follows your view around wherever you go.